Hi, everyone. Are you looking for love? Well, of course you are. That's the search that's been going on for centuries, since the beginning of time. I struggled with that for decades until I found the answer. When I'm having trouble with things out here or in here, I can instantly align with love through the dream mirror. The dream mirror helps whether we're having daydreams, hopes and dreams, waking dreams, or nightly dreams. If you're interested in attending my workshop, I would love for you to join me. I'm Jean Voice Dart, expressive arts psychotherapist, and I'm presenting a workshop entitled Reflective Journaling for Love. Together, we'll walk hand in hand and discover the love we've been waiting for a lifetime. Thank you.